Hello, today I'm going to discuss about the notice. Things to remember about the notice. It should contain the complete information. The order of the presentation must be clear, and purpose of the notice should be very clearly written. We should not use the I and you words, and also the language should be impersonal. And also we have to see the designation of the writing person should be written just below left side. Date always be mentioned at the left side at the top. And also we have to see the word limit. If we exceed the word limit, it will be the negative marking. So let us see some examples of notice. Now let me give you the question number 1. The question is, you are Health Secretary, Student Council, Citizen Public School, Ram Bagh, Varanasi. The council had decided to start from 2nd of October a week-long cleanliness drive around the school. Draft a notice in about 50 words asking the class 11 students to enroll for the drive. This is the question. Now how we write it? Let us see. At the top we will write Citizens Public School, Varanasi. Then 2nd September 2000XX, it will be written at the left side at the top, and then it will be notice in the block letters. Then the title should be given Cleanliness Drive. Then we start the content and the body of the notice. So what we write is, this is to inform the students of class 11th that the student council of the school has organized a week-long cleanliness drive around the school from 2nd October to 9th October. Areas in the immediate vicinity of the school boundary have been chosen. The work will be undertaken for 2 hours from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. Volunteers from class 11th are requested to enroll for the drive by 22nd September. Puneet, Health Secretary, Students Council. So you have seen this example. One more example I would like to give you. Then your school is organizing a specimen program on the occasion of the World Dance Day. The renowned Bharatanatyam dancer Geeta Chandran would be giving a lecture demonstration as the President Culture Society of your school. Draft a notice in about 50 words informing the students about the same. You are Rakshita or Rohit of MVN Public School. So what we do in this is also we have to write at the top the cultural society, they are the organizers. Then MVN Public School, then it will be notice in a block letters. Then it comes the heading or of the title, the program, heading of the program, lecture, demonstration of dance. Then we have date at the left side, 20 September 2006. Then we have to start the rest of the part of the notice. One school is organizing a specimen program in the occasion of the World Dance Day. As a part of this program, our school has invited the renowned Bharatanatyam dancer Geeta Chandran to give a lecture demonstration. All the students from the class 11-12 are informed to participate in the program and learn dance tactics from the renowned person Rohit, the president. So this will be the proper notice format, and this will be the notice you have to write. So that's all for your notice information today.